Hey guys, it's Border Elite here, and today I've got a little different of a video for you. It's just raw gameplay, no commentary, no voiceover, no nothing. If y'all enjoy, let me know by leaving a comment. I really hope y'all
You
have a
hurt
good rest of your
people,
day,
I
and I'll
hurt
see y'all
you.
in the next one.
30 seconds before you attack. Get ready. Wow, you look tough.
You look like you belong in high school. What are you?
A famous singer.
I don't listen to music. I punish criminals.
Well, we are in the right place for that. Let's go. The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it? This isn't my first trip through the multiverse.
Bogey's incoming. Battlefield ready again.
Looks like the mission area is yours to capture now. Mission area is yours.
Enemy target located.
We did it, Spider.
This could all come down. Smoke screen. Just the idiots I was looking for. Smoke screen. I'm good to go. Hey team, enjoy the amplifier. Us against the world.
You've captured more than half of the mission area. Keep going. Fire mode. Deep freeze.
I'm shipshape. Judge, jury, executioner! Sucker! Rage! Heads up.
Disappear!
Smoke.
4, 3, 2, 1. All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
Don't tell him he showers
You're up, little one.
Bogey's incoming.
Keeping us now. Looks like the mission area is yours to capture now.
Maximum pulse!
Us against the world.